Hello, everyone. Working remotely as a software developer presents a number of unique challenges, and this is only amplified in an Agile workplace. In this pro tip, I'd like to give a couple tips on remote Agile strategy. Agile is all about creating short feedback loops, and there are two very important feedback loops that are worth spending time, attention, and resources on as you transition to working remotely. First, your customer feedback loops. Customers are the reason your organization exists, and if you don't know how they feel or how they're using your product, you're flying blind. If you normally bring your customers to your location for demos, make sure you schedule virtual demos with them instead. If you usually talk to your customers at conventions, try reaching out to specific contacts in your customer organization and have the virtual equivalent of those conversations over a virtual lunch. Alternatively, you can participate more in social media networks that your customers use. If you're in a high-touch industry, you might have your sales team or customer service team proactively reach out to some of your customers to check in on how things are going. Whatever you do, just make sure that you are still consistently and effectively hearing from your customers and incorporating their feedback into how you run your business. The other important feedback loop to focus on are your production feedback loops, the information you need to produce and maintain a high-quality product. In software development, this means helping your engineers write excellent code. Your code reviews are probably already remote, but if you're doing pair or mob programming, consider using a tool like Screen or Tuple or Jitsi to help your developers continue to be effective in those methods. Also, don't forget about the integration points for your teams. If you're not doing automated deployments, automated testing with high code coverage, and automatically routing code to reviewers, now is a great time to make investments in those systems so that your teams can produce at their highest level. At the very least, make sure all of your teams have some way to share their screens so they can walk through code together. If you start with a focus on just these two areas, customer feedback loops and production feedback loops, you can buy yourself more time to work through all the other changes that fully remote work requires. Hop into the comments section and let us know your favorite work from home tips, or leave us an idea for a future pro tip. Thanks for watching.